Welcome to Clear Explanation. Today's topic is smart money tactics. Stay tuned. In the fast-paced world we live in, mastering smart money tactics is essential for achieving financial freedom and success. Start by setting clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a house, or investing for the future, having specific goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Budgeting is the cornerstone of smart money management. Track your income, expenses, and find areas to cut costs. Use apps to make the process easier and more efficient. Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund can be a lifesaver. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unexpected events. Boost your income with these easy money-making tactics. Consider freelancing or gig work in your spare time. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can help you find opportunities. Sell and use items online through platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Turning clutter into cash is a smart way to earn extra money. Participate in online surveys or join market research panels. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research pay you for your opinions. Investing is key to growing your wealth. Educate yourself about different investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risks. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and personal retirement accounts to ensure a comfortable future. Smart money tactics are all about making informed and strategic financial decisions. Start today and watch your financial health flourish. Thanks for watching Clear Explanation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more tips on smart money management.